Hi Algebra class, I wanted to send you a quick video announcement today to mention a few just updates and reminders that'll help you as we progress through our semester. Number one is make sure you're checking out the pacing guide in class. So when you log into the Student Learning Portal, or SLP, in class, I believe it's in the bottom right corner of the main login page there, or the main homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll see your course pacing guide, and that will show you what you should be working on this week. And the idea is you should have everything before that, so the other weeks completed, and this week working on this week's activities. If you find that you're significantly behind pace, there's still time to catch up, and I'd be happy to help you formulate a plan that will help get you where you need to be. But I do want to encourage you to follow that as much as you can, because it's going to be important as we get closer to the end of the semester. Number two is I want to mention that most quizzes in class, I think all quizzes actually, allow up to 2 attempts on them. And so some of you are taking 1 attempt, some are taking 2 attempts, some are taking the second attempt right after doing the first attempt. The goal with having more than 1 attempt is you're going to get a new quiz with new questions, though they're similar to previous questions, maybe with some different numbers and different variables in there. But when you take a quiz after going through the lesson materials, it'll help you see, did I understand the material or not? And if you didn't, or you got a few wrong, please look through what you got wrong and try to figure out what went wrong with the problem before taking the second attempt. You shouldn't complete the second attempt right after the first, because you'll be kind of wasting the attempt. Check out your problems, see what needs improvement. If you're not sure why something was wrong, just reach out to me. I may be able to help you with a concept you're not understanding, or maybe there was just a formatting issue. Maybe you did answer the problem correctly, but it marked you incorrect because it was expecting a different format. That happens sometimes, and I'm happy to change the grade in situations like that, okay? Take the second attempt on those quizzes if you didn't get a full score, because it'll only help you both with understanding and your grading class. The third thing I want to mention is DBAs, or discussion-based assessments. I've already talked about this a couple of times in teacher feed or announcements, but it's important to complete your DBA before you complete the unit test for that unit. In fact, you cannot earn credit on the DBA if you complete the unit test first. That's a mathematics department policy at Michigan Virtual. So that being said, sign up early for your time on those DBAs if you're going to complete a synchronous one with me. The time slots do sign up fast, so you want to kind of think ahead a week or two when you're making an appointment with me. And then if you're ready to take the unit test and you haven't had your DBA appointment yet, move on to the next unit while you're waiting. That's totally fine with me, as long as you come back and complete the unit test once we do our DBA, okay? Those are my 3 updates and reminders. Check your pacing, make sure you're on pace, make a plan if you're not. Number 2 is remember you have 2 attempts on all the quizzes and even the unit tests in class. And number 3, the DBA must be completed before you take your unit test in order to earn credit on it. Have a great week.